Imagine a massive industrial facility, capable of producing enough electricity to power an entire city within minutes. Inside, giant turbines spin at thousands of revolutions per minute, combustion chambers generate gases hotter than molten lava, and enormous generators convert mechanical motion into electrical energy flowing into the power grid. Gas power plants are among the most important energy sources in the modern world because they can respond to changes in electricity demand far faster than many other types of power stations. But how does a power plant actually transform natural gas into usable electricity? At the core of a gas power plant is the process of combustion. Natural gas contains large amounts of chemical energy stored inside hydrocarbon molecules, mainly methane. When this gas is mixed with compressed air and ignited, it releases enormous amounts of heat. The combustion creates a high-pressure stream of extremely hot gases that can be used to drive a turbine. This turbine is connected directly to an electrical generator, allowing thermal energy from the fuel to be transformed into electricity. If you like similar educational content, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. The heart of most modern gas power plants is the gas turbine, which operates on principles very similar to a jet engine. First, a compressor pulls in huge volumes of air from the atmosphere and compresses it to high pressure. This compressed air is then sent into a combustion chamber where natural gas is injected and ignited. The resulting combustion gases can exceed temperatures of 1,000 degrees Celsius and rapidly expand as they flow through the turbine section. As the hot gases strike the turbine blades, they transfer kinetic energy to the rotating shaft. This shaft spins at extremely high speeds and is mechanically connected to an electrical generator. Inside the generator, electromagnetic induction converts the rotational energy into electrical current. In simple terms, the plant transforms chemical energy stored in fuel into thermal energy, then into mechanical motion, and finally into electricity delivered to homes and industries. One of the biggest advantages of gas power plants is their flexibility. Unlike some other forms of power generation, gas turbines can increase or decrease their output relatively quickly, depending on electricity demand. This makes them extremely valuable for stabilizing modern electrical grids, especially as renewable energy sources like wind and solar become more common and create fluctuations in power production. For a gas power plant to achieve high efficiency, simply burning fuel and spinning a turbine is not enough. A large amount of energy still remains inside the hot exhaust gases leaving the turbine. In early gas turbine systems, much of this heat was wasted directly into the atmosphere. Modern power plants, however, are designed to recover and reuse as much of this energy as possible. This led to the development of one of the most efficient fossil fuel technologies ever created, the combined cycle power plant. After passing through the gas turbine, the exhaust gases are still extremely hot, often reaching temperatures of several hundred degrees Celsius. Instead of releasing this heat unused, the exhaust is directed into a heat recovery steam generator, commonly called an HRSG. This system captures the thermal energy from the exhaust gases and uses it to heat water into high-pressure steam. In effect, the same fuel is used twice to produce electricity. The generated steam is then directed into a steam turbine, which operates differently from the gas turbine, but serves the same purpose. High-pressure steam flows across turbine blades, causing another shaft to spin at high speed. This shaft is connected to an additional electrical generator, producing even more electricity without consuming additional fuel. The result is a dramatic increase in overall efficiency. This combination of gas and steam turbines allows modern combined cycle plants to achieve efficiencies exceeding 60%, which is extremely high for large-scale thermal power generation. Instead of losing massive amounts of heat energy, the plant captures and reuses it, maximizing the amount of electricity generated from every unit of natural gas consumed. Managing this process requires highly advanced control systems. Temperatures, pressures, fuel flow rates, turbine speeds, and combustion stability must all be monitored continuously. Even small fluctuations can affect efficiency, emissions, or mechanical reliability. Modern plants therefore rely heavily on automation systems capable of adjusting operating conditions in real time with extreme precision. One of the greatest strengths of gas power plants is their ability to respond extremely quickly to changes in electricity demand. Electrical grids must remain in constant balance at every moment. Power generation must always match consumption almost perfectly. If supply suddenly drops below demand, grid frequency can become unstable, potentially leading to blackouts or damage to electrical infrastructure. Gas power plants play a critical role in preventing this because they can increase or decrease output much faster than many other forms of large-scale power generation. For example, electricity demand often rises sharply in the evening when millions of people return home, turn on lights, appliances, heating systems, and electronics simultaneously. Gas turbines can ramp up power production relatively quickly to meet this sudden increase in demand. Likewise, if renewable energy production suddenly changes because clouds reduce solar output or wind speeds drop, gas plants can compensate almost immediately and stabilize the grid. Another major advantage is startup speed. Some power plants, especially large coal or nuclear facilities, may require many hours or even days to reach full operating power. Gas turbines, however, can start much more rapidly because their operating principle resembles that of aircraft jet engines. Once the compressor begins spinning, fuel is introduced and ignited, allowing the turbine to generate useful power within a relatively short period of time. Gas power plants are also more compact compared to many other large power generation systems. They do not require massive fuel storage facilities, like coal plants, or extremely large reactor containment structures, like nuclear plants. This makes them easier to build closer to urban centers or industrial regions where electricity demand is highest. Their relatively compact design and modular structure also simplify expansion and maintenance. Despite these advantages, gas power plants still burn fossil fuels, which means they produce carbon dioxide emissions. However, compared to coal-fired power stations, natural gas combustion generates significantly lower CO2 emissions and far fewer particulate pollutants. Because of this, gas power plants are often viewed as a transitional technology between traditional fossil fuel systems and a future energy infrastructure increasingly dominated by renewable sources. Although gas power plants are among the most efficient fossil fuel energy systems ever developed, they operate under extremely demanding engineering conditions. Inside the turbines, temperatures can exceed 1,000 degrees Celsius, while components rotate at incredible speeds under enormous mechanical stress. Turbine blades must survive intense heat, pressure fluctuations, vibration, and continuous exposure to high-velocity combustion gases. Even small material weaknesses could lead to catastrophic failure under such extreme conditions. To withstand these environments, modern turbine blades are made from highly advanced superalloys containing elements such as nickel, chromium, and cobalt. These materials maintain strength even at temperatures where ordinary metals would soften or melt. Many turbine blades are also hollow inside and use sophisticated internal cooling systems. Cooler compressed air flows through tiny channels within the blades, preventing them from overheating, while allowing the turbine to operate at much higher combustion temperatures and efficiency levels. The combustion process itself must also be controlled with extreme precision. The ratio between fuel and air is carefully regulated to ensure stable and efficient combustion. If the mixture becomes too rich or too lean, efficiency drops and harmful emissions can increase. Advanced sensors continuously monitor temperature, pressure, vibration, airflow, and exhaust composition throughout the system. Modern control computers analyze this data in real time and make constant adjustments within fractions of a second. Maintenance is another major challenge. Gas turbines experience enormous wear because of their high operating temperatures and rotational speeds. Even microscopic damage to turbine blades or bearings can become dangerous over time. Power plants therefore perform regular inspections using advanced diagnostic equipment, thermal imaging systems, and specialized cameras capable of examining internal turbine components without fully disassembling the machine. Modern gas power plants are increasingly integrated with digital technologies and artificial intelligence. Predictive maintenance systems analyze operating data continuously to detect unusual vibration patterns, temperature changes, or efficiency losses before failures occur. Instead of waiting for equipment to break down, operators can schedule maintenance proactively, reducing downtime and improving overall reliability. This combination of advanced materials, precision engineering, automation, and digital monitoring is what allows modern gas turbines to operate safely under such extreme conditions. Another major area of development involves carbon capture and storage technologies, often referred to as CCS systems. These systems are designed to capture carbon dioxide from exhaust gases before it enters the atmosphere. The captured CO2 can then be compressed and stored deep underground or potentially reused in industrial processes. While CCS technology remains expensive and technically challenging, many experts consider it one of the key tools for reducing emissions from large-scale thermal power plants. The future of gas power plants will likely involve a combination of advanced automation, digital grid integration, cleaner fuels, and carbon reduction technologies. Yet despite all these technological changes, the fundamental principle remains exactly the same. Chemical energy stored inside fuel is converted into high-temperature gases. Those gases spin turbines at incredible speeds, and generators transform that motion into electricity powering modern civilization. Gas power plants are a perfect example of how thermodynamics, physics, and engineering combine to produce the energy that supports nearly every aspect of contemporary life.